This video is intended to be viewed by adult toy collectors and may contain questionable content and language. Viewer discretion is recommended. Greetings, Quentin-Rom here. Today I'm going to look at some repairs that I did to some broken, rescued Zybots or GoBot knockoff toys that I found. And forgive me if I don't have the actual original names of these guys, but this guy's like some kind of semi-truck type robot, and I kind of redid the paint on his arms. And if I turn him into this robot mode, which is kind of like that, his front bumper, which was completely missing, I rebuilt based on some online photos that I could find. Not exactly perfect, but it is functional and it works. And I decided to get a little clever and created a whole new little part that fits onto the little holes there. There's little pegs inside the thing there. And it just snaps right in there, nice and firmly, giving a nice longer flatbed. Added some little details from some little part that I had. And easily comes off and back on. Very cool and functional. You can fit other GoBots or other vehicles on there. Like this guy. And this little red sports car looking toy. His stickers are completely faded, but it left like this really nice cool chrome sticker thing. His face is nicely still painted good. And this guy, he was in relatively good shape other than the stickers kind of rubbed off. And the fact that he had absolutely no tires. So I took a little Hot Wheel type car that I found at a Dollar Tree and replaced the tires, gave him new wheels so he can roll now. He's got all 4 good tires. The sticker on his hood is rubbed off, but leaving just a bit silver backing. And I did have to touch up the paint on his windshield. Another little cool robot from the vintage days, all fixed up and given brand new life and a happy new home. And now let's talk about this little yellow guy. Yellow and black. Both of his arms and all 4 tires were completely missing when I rescued this little guy. And now based on some pictures that I found, I think I did a good job at recreating what his arms would have looked like. Not sure if his arms extended or not, but there we go. And it is fully functional. And I even created his little tow truck hinge part. It can fold and move. This part doesn't move though. And he can kind of, oops, popped his arm off. It just pops right back on. And I can stick this up here. Oops, off camera, there we go. It just slides in, fits right up there nice and easy. Just something for storage. Something extra I did. And let's look at them in this vehicle mode. Just flip those around. And for the arms, just kind of have them down and fold in. They do kind of lock in. just like that. And then push his head down. And yeah, I didn't have 4 identical tires, so I guess he has that look. Make him unique. And that just pops right into the little holes. And you can tow your other toys. Functional, not exactly original, but he's got new life. And I think I did a pretty good, decent job on making all these replacement parts. And that will be it for this video. Thank you for watching, and have a good day. Thank you for watching. This has been a Quentin-Rom video production. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and share with your friends. Until the next video.